What is going on? Welcome to Gregless TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. One UI 7 has been slowly being pushed out to other devices. It's now delayed, but that delay is going to end soon, probably within the next couple days before you start resuming that update being pushed out to other devices. But as you know, One UI 8 is literally already been leaked out. Some people already have it, and we know a little bit more about it, and I wanted to talk about those things that are basically coming to a lot of, it's mostly to the older phones, which is great. We're getting things that we didn't think we're getting, and it looks like we are going to get them. The first one being log video would be coming to devices. It's already on the S24 and 25, not on the Z Fold 6, Flip 6, and some other devices. Log video just allows you to record video in a, it doesn't look great, but it allows you to edit it later on some video editing software and really go to town with it. Enhance the colors, make it look really how you want it to look rather than using the built-in software like Samsung or Apple or someone else does. So it's a flat looking video, but it's something you can edit to really beyond the scope of what you'd want it to be. Beyond that though, some other things that are coming out about One UI 8 are, like I mentioned before, that One UI 8 is probably going to be kind of a relatively minor update, and that makes sense with them actually pushing this out really quickly. If they're not adding a lot of things in here, they don't have to do potentially a lot of work. Also, the Z Flip 6 is receiving Now Brief, so will the Fold 6, previously thought to be exclusive to the S25 series, and like I mentioned earlier, log support for video will be in the camera app for those phones. An updated File Manager app with a translucent menu and revised added recently section. So File Manager app, which is the My Files app, that's going to be updated. It's gonna look a little bit different, whatever. A redesigned Quick Share with separate tabs for receive and send. I use Quick Share a lot with my wife and other people that have Samsung Galaxy phones or Android phones in that matter. I love it. I really wish it was working with Apple. I wish Apple would take over with Quick Share. They have AirDrop, we have Quick Share. It'd be nice to have some kind of happy medium where we can quickly transfer files between each other. That would be fantastic. Overall, the One UI 8 is anticipated to concentrate on refining existing features and making changes behind the scenes rather than introducing major visual overhaul. So again, that just means that we're gonna, when you get One UI 8, it's not gonna look that different compared to One UI 7. One UI 6 to One UI 7, there is some differences in terms of the way that stuff looks. That's not gonna really happen on the jump from 7 to 8, but it's gonna be refining these existing features, making them better, making them perform at their top way that they should, and then also making the changes behind the scenes that maybe you don't really notice, but you'll feel on a daily basis. So, I'm fine with these kind of updates. I don't always need a ton of different things to happen. Obviously, I think some of the major things that will end up happening with One UI 8 when it's officially launched with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 would be just a couple, maybe more than that, of new AI features that we haven't had yet. That's where we're gonna see a bunch of new things happening around software would be AI, so that's what I expect. Let me know what you guys think of One UI 8 so far. You think it's enough? Let me know. Thanks for watching, have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.